The way I think about nonviolent communication is it by itself being a restorative practice. You know, Marshall called his book, Nonviolent Communication, a language of life, with this assumption that we have disconnected from life. And nonviolent communication is a way to reconnect with life. And I actually called my organization Reclaiming Life, which assumes that we are, returning to something that we already have. And I actually seen every step of this practice and consciousness a way to heal and to restore our well-being, to restore trust with ourselves, to restore trust with each other, really through the experience of mattering. The assumption of nonviolent communication is that the only sustainable path to peace is a world where everyone's needs matter. And so I find that every NVC practice is designed to do exactly that, to help us move from distrust to trust, from separation to connection, from scarcity to sufficiency of resources. And all of that is healing.